Dobre Rano, Bitcoin. Today is Friday, October 6th, 2017. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what happened today in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is up 4.08% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 44.07, a high of 44.09, and a low of 42.35. Our top story: Dubai government launches the first official state cryptocurrency. That's right, they're calling it Mcash. And you can buy it, you can sell it, you can pay for things. The Mcash token will function as legal tender in Dubai. This is a major step forward for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrencies, as Dubai has fully embraced blockchain technology and, in a way, Bitcoin. Very exciting news out of Dubai. This comes on the heels of Dubai offering apartments for sale in Bitcoin only. GAW Miners founder owes nearly $10 million to the SEC over Bitcoin fraud. Many have forgotten Paycoin, GAW Miners, Hashlets, and Hashbase, but not the SEC. Josh Garza, who founded GAW Miners and Zen Miners, has been ordered to pay a civil judgment of $9.1 million, plus $700,000 in interest. Just goes to show, no matter how old your fraud is, eventually the government will come for you. Crypto facilities won't support SegWit 2X without mandatory replay protection. That's right, 2X needs to have replay protection. As Bcash did before them, fortunately enabling replay protection. Replay protection protects your transactions so that they cannot be replayed on the other network. For example, if you sent some 2X cash to one of your systems, someone could replay that transaction and send your real Bitcoin. This obviously could be a disaster for users. Tour de Meester, Bitfinex launches the B2X Futures Market. It starts out at 0.5 Bitcoin for a B2X token, and now has fallen to 0.25 for a B2X token. There's about 44 days to go until the B2X split, if it happens. Above 4,300, Bitcoin is up. But is it out of the woods? Obviously, CoinDesk are major Taylor Swift fans, quoting her song titles in their headline. But the price of Bitcoin is indeed up, even at 4,400 at the time of this show. Forget Bitcoin. Have you heard of IMF Coin? The IMF is considering creating their own coin, perhaps following Dubai and creating an international token. For more on this and other stories, we're joined by Tone Vase. Check out our incredible background. We're live from HCPP in Prague at Paralinzy Polis, happening right here, Hacker Congress. We have our own studio with a great red couch, and we're going to be live streaming interviews all day, as well as some conference live streams on Tone Vase's channel and on the Agi Link channel. Links to come. Check out the World Crypto Network and the Mad Bitcoins Twitter for more on that. But now we've got Tone and the charts.
Hey, what's up, guys? So before I get to the charts, just want to comment on the Dubai currency and whatever the IMF is doing. They might be cryptocurrencies, but they're not decentralized cryptocurrencies. So you have to keep that in mind. The US dollar could easily be, if all they have to do is eliminate cash and put an encryption algorithm in there, and it's a cryptocurrency, right? That's nothing there'll be no mining. There's not going to be decentralized mining. So that's where the world's going. So that's pretty much accepted. Most countries would love to eliminate cash and go to a digital currency. If it's, it has proper security, it's a cryptocurrency, but it's never going to be decentralized with a proof of work algorithm, because that would be crazy for the government to do. All right, let's just jump on.
We'd also like to thank our sponsor, CryptoHW Wallet. At CryptoHWWallet.com, you can buy Trezors and Ledgers and even keep keys. He's got all the hardware wallets you need, and he helped us pay for this conference and this great background. So please support our sponsors. Don't forget to like and share this show and subscribe if it's your first time here. Go ahead, Tone.
All right, so here's the weekly chart. And as you can see, the color is flipping. There's not much I can say about the weekly chart. I've been saying for the last few weeks that it's totally neutral. It went to a neutral position, so it doesn't have a bull trade, it doesn't have a bear trade. Yeah, let's just, that happens. Okay, let's,
next
can you click out of it? Yeah. So that one's still neutral. Here's the daily chart. As I've been saying for the last couple of days, we're looking at a 1 to 4 day correction. I had no idea how far it would go. The correction actually started on my 9. I was looking for it to get back to 4,100, which was the level of the breakout. We almost got to 4,100. I call it close enough. This has been a perfect bounce. It's a little bit hard to time, but that's what separates a good trader from a mediocre trader. The bounce is happening already. All we have to do is break that yellow line you see on the screen. I believe that's at around, looks like about 4,500 or so, 4,450, 4,500. Once we break that, I think we are out of the woods, and then we're going back to all-time highs and beyond. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is looking like it's getting ready to top. Again, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this time indicator right here. I talk more about it on my YouTube channel and my economic shows. As you can see, a number 8 is forming. Number 9 is where the bullish trend might take a break. You can see the red arrow, the green arrow, they worked out pretty well. This 8 could come with an 11 underneath, and then we're going to have a 13 on the bottom, which is also a little iffy. So the 4-hour chart might be topping any minute now, later today. And here is I've been keeping an eye on it. Here is Bcash, and Bcash had a nice long downtrend, went all the way below 0.085. As you can see, there is a 9 with a green arrow, and I drew my green arrow the other day, and maybe Bcash will have a minor dead cat bounce before I'm expecting it completely to go down. And I guarantee you that as Bcash continues to go down, all of those jokers that were supporting Bcash are now going to try to create damage to Bitcoin again by joining the 2X chain. And when the 2X chain fails, they're going to find some other crazy reason to try to hard fork Bitcoin again for personal reasons.
All right, and just like to ask everyone to follow Mad Bitcoins and World Crypto Network on Twitter. I did some live tweeting this morning of the press conference at Paralinipolis. You're not going to see very many pictures from this conference because they do have several hackers and privacy advocates in the crowd who do not want to be filmed. We're going to be following those rules, but we are going to be broadcasting right here from the new World Crypto Network studio at Paralinipolis, and it's going to be great. We'll be here all day. We've got a lot of speeches, and we're going to be trying to pull in people to interview them. You can join us in the chat all day. It should be a great day. Tone, more to say?
I just want to say one more thing. I know, like yesterday, and I got a little upset over what happened over the scammers trying to pretending to be me. I got a huge shout out to Proton Mail. I contacted Proton Mail, and I told them someone is pretending to be Tone Base using the encrypted private email service. And within 24 hours, they had shut down the Tone Base at Proton Mail email. And this just told me that, yeah, I'm not looking forward to decentralized email anytime soon. I like the fact that my email is private, encrypted, and I have someone I can reach out to that can actually deal with scammers. And I blew up on a lot of people on Twitter. Maybe they didn't deserve it. Maybe they did. I didn't really have time to check. I'm also not yet ready to cancel the tone-based consulting service, as a lot of people started to worry, and I got a flood of emails about that. Just please do not trust anything in the comments. I don't want to delete. I don't want to drop the comments. I don't want to make my videos uncommentable for censorship reasons. But please only trust what's in the description of the YouTube videos. It goes for every YouTube channel. Do not trust any Bitcoin addresses or contact information from the comments section. At the least, click on the commenter. Make sure it's the right YouTube channel. Just, please be warned.
All right, and that's about it for today's show. If you'd like to donate some Bitcoin, you can help pay our bar tab. All of the bills here at Paralinipolis are in Bitcoin. So we will be spending a little bit of Bitcoin today. So donations are welcome. Make sure to give us a like and a share. And we'll be back soon with live interviews right here from the World Crypto Network studio. Anybody we can grab, we'll be pulling in. If you go ahead and go to the HCPP webpage, let us know who you think we should interview, and we'll try to get them. Maybe we'll even have a big couch like the old Johnny Carson show. Could be great stuff. So thanks so much for watching, and until tomorrow, and probably later today, bye-bye.